Give us a bit of the agenda and how the event flowed.
I can tell you this was not at all a kind of a normal conference that we attend. A very, very unique one. First of all, the first surprise that you get is the place that they choose. So it was a kind of a wine brewing called, what is it called?
Bodega? Is that what they call it?
Bodega.
No,
Yeah, it is Bodega.
Bodega.
So it was like a floor with a let's say a soil on it. It's not like
it's a
carpeted
floor with
floor or
dirt.
anything
It's
like
a
that.
dirt floor. So kind of
it's
special.
a dirt floor. They call it as dirt. So it gives you a different vibes. Actually, the whole motto is to disconnect you from the corporate world, office space, and bring you back more into a kind of a, let's say, disconnecting you from the normal world and bringing you as a more human being on a human perspective side. So that was like a nice idea to really, the place, I really liked it. Agenda wise, I think there were, 2 days of event, fully packed with multiple, let's say, sessions. There were mainly consultant sessions, customer experiences, how customers are, let's say, how customers have overcome this challenge of organization change management in the big project that they have handled. Consultants explaining how they are, how human factor is more important compared to the, let's say, the digital transformation and the technical part of it. And also there were some sponsor things which were also quite nice, introducing what are the new technologies that are there to be helpful. And most importantly, like we discussed in the last conference, no conference these days ends without AI being part of it.
You have to talk about it, right?
Gotta have that.